G'day everyone, just went out for a quick kayak, no fish, so I'm going to fish from the bank and see how I go. This was a few days ago. I'm just thinking what today's going to be like if I went down there. I don't think I'll be able to get in there because we've had a lot of rain, absolutely poured down, so where you see my car now and it'll be all flooded in. So yeah, enjoy the video, hit the like button and subscribe. Cheers. Okay, I'll pack everything up, put my boat in the car, my kayak that is, and I'll give it a cast out on the bank, see if I can catch a few fish. Should be able to. I won't be eating them though, because as I said on an earlier video that the water's been 27 to 29 degrees and I'm finding a lot of dead fish, no marks on them, tortoises, so yeah. There's something going on here. I'm going to go and find out where I can get the council to check the water for any pollution or whatever there is. So, yep, that's on the cards. So, enjoy the little trip of fishing. And I've got my Yibba Yibba hat on. Rexy Hunt. Going back a few years now, I've had this beanie. Yeah, I used to follow him when he was fishing and doing commentating on football, the AFL. Yibba Yibba. Yeah, so as well, I'd like to thank everyone for viewing my videos and putting the thumbs up and their comments, much appreciated. Yep, we'll catch some fish hopefully as soon as I dismantle everything and dry it all up before I put it in my van. And as you see how I took all my stabilizers off, I had actually a bar underneath the round one which actually helps me put my motor on. I was going to stick it right at the back where the rudder goes, but I thought about it and the rudder comes in handy. It makes you turn a lot better and it's safer. Even though you see me drying this off, I went home and gave it a good wash with soap. Yeah, they're like a slime stuck on the boat. Even with me scrubbing it, took a fair bit to get it all off. But yeah, at least it stops the smell and keeps me kayak in good condition. Okay, time to tie it all up so it doesn't go flying through the front window or through the back window. A bit lazy, I could have put it on top, but my wife's not with me, so I'll stick it in the van. Otherwise she'd be squashed on the other side. Okay, hooked onto something, a little fish, brim. We're getting dark soon. Might be a bit of a sunset behind me. That's number one fish. I'll try up further and see what happens. Okay, it's starting to rain, had to put my jacket on. I've hooked onto another one, probably a brim as well. I might get under my car and keep it a little bit drier, but I can't pull up a fish from way back there though. So yeah, another brim. That's number two. Yes, I catch and release these ones. I don't dare eat them. I don't know what's in the water. I did find fish. I thought, I'm not sure whether they were carp or whatever they were, but they were dead. I don't eat any of them. Okay, we're hooked onto another one. Could be another brim, I'd say it is. It's full of brim here at the moment. A few jumping around behind me and beside me. Oh, that's another one. What's that? I've lost count now. 4 fish, I think it is. 4 or 5. All brim. Nice size, but my mum, when she first came up here, she ate one and wasn't from this spot, but yeah, she got very sick from it. And she used to eat them years ago down in Victoria, but when she came up here, yeah, she got food poisoning from it, so won't touch them. Okay, that's another fish. I'm getting tired of catching these ones. I'd rather something a little bit bigger and have a bit of fun with it. I've only got 10-pound line on them, which is just just thin, but I'd like to get a nice big fish and see how they fight and start catching these little bream. Okay, got another one here, another bream by the looks. Yep, another bream. Okay everyone, that's it for me for the day. I'm going to head off home now and clean everything, and we'll catch you later on. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you all soon. Bye.